Welcome to Flux Reach, a place where developers come to truly understand modern technology. In this video, the focus is on cloud computing with special attention to the United Kingdom. As we move through 2026, cloud platforms have changed in meaningful ways. Local infrastructure and data control now shape most technical decisions. This guide is designed to support developers at every level. It starts simple and grows with you. Cloud computing is now at the center of digital development across the United Kingdom. Almost every modern service depends on cloud platforms in some way. Developers need to understand how cloud choices affect performance and reliability. The UK market has its own rules and expectations. This video explains why those differences matter. The aim is to help you build smarter systems. The United Kingdom offers dedicated cloud regions that are built to serve local users. Amazon Web Services provides the London-based region called Europe West 2. Microsoft Azure offers United Kingdom South in London and United Kingdom West in Cardiff. These locations improve speed and reduce delays. They also help meet legal and regulatory requirements. Choosing the right region is a key first step. Using UK-based cloud regions is not only about faster applications. It is also about meeting data protection laws that apply within the country. UK regulations place strong limits on where personal data can be stored. Keeping data inside national borders reduces legal risk. This approach builds trust with users and clients. Compliance starts at the infrastructure level. When starting with Amazon Web Services, developers first encounter the virtual private cloud. A VPC acts as a private and isolated network in the cloud. Understanding subnets and routing is essential at this stage. These components control how traffic moves securely. For UK developers, this knowledge supports stable and compliant systems. It also prepares you for more advanced setups. High availability is a major focus when building cloud systems in the United Kingdom. AWS allows you to spread resources across multiple availability zones. This reduces the risk of downtime if one data center fails. Best practice is to use at least 3 zones within the London region. This design improves reliability and resilience. It ensures services remain available. Microsoft Azure organizes its resources in a structured hierarchy. Everything begins with management groups and subscriptions. From there, resources are placed inside resource groups. This approach helps keep large projects organized. Developers moving to advanced levels must understand this structure well. It makes large environments easier to manage. Infrastructure as code is a key skill for professional Azure development. Tools like ARM templates and Bicep allow you to define resources and files. This removes the need for manual setup in the portal. Changes become repeatable and predictable. UK teams benefit from consistent environments. It reduces errors between development and production. Managing cloud costs has become one of the most important responsibilities in 2026. Without proper oversight, expenses can grow quickly. Both AWS and Azure provide tools to track spending. These tools show where money is being wasted. Regular reviews help control budgets. Cost awareness is now a core developer skill. Right-sizing resources is one of the simplest ways to save money. Many cloud systems run on larger machines than necessary. Choosing smaller instances can cut costs without harming performance. Both cloud providers offer recommendations for optimization. Removing unused storage is equally important. Small changes add up over time. Spot instances and spot virtual machines offer another powerful cost-saving option. These resources use unused capacity at much lower prices. They are ideal for workloads that can tolerate interruptions. Batch processing and background jobs fit well here. UK developers can save heavily using this approach. It requires careful planning and design. Data sovereignty remains a critical concern for UK-based applications. Regulations demand strong protection for personal information. Keeping data inside local regions supports compliance. Encryption adds another layer of security. Customer-managed keys provide better control. These practices protect both users and businesses. Containers have become a standard way to deploy modern applications. Services like Kubernetes help manage these containers at scale. They provide automated recovery and scaling features. UK developers can handle peak usage more efficiently. Microservices architectures benefit greatly from this approach. It supports flexible and resilient systems. Serverless computing allows developers to focus entirely on code. There is no need to manage servers or operating systems. You only pay for execution time. This model is especially cost-effective for small projects. UK developers benefit from automatic scaling. Idle costs are nearly eliminated. Monitoring plays a vital role in maintaining cloud systems. Tools like CloudWatch and Azure Monitor collect metrics and logs. These insights reveal performance issues early. Alerts help teams respond quickly. Dashboards provide a clear system overview. Proactive monitoring prevents user impact. Security begins with identity and access management. Permissions must always follow the principle of least privilege. Users should only have access to what they truly need. Multi-factor authentication is essential for protection. This reduces the risk of account compromise. Security discipline is non-negotiable. Hybrid cloud setups are growing in popularity across the United Kingdom. Many organizations still use local servers alongside cloud services. Azure and AWS both offer tools to connect these environments. This approach supports gradual migration. It also enables low-latency processing. Hybrid skills are highly valuable. Cloud databases now go far beyond traditional relational systems. Managed services handle backups and updates automatically. This frees developers to focus on design and performance. UK teams benefit from high availability and scalability. NoSQL options support modern application needs. Database choices should match workload demands. Networking between regions and providers requires careful planning. Secure connections ensure data never travels over the public internet. Peering services make this possible. Multi-cloud strategies reduce dependency on a single provider. UK architects often design for resilience. Strong networking skills are essential. Sustainability has become a priority for cloud providers in the UK. Platforms now offer tools to track carbon impact. Efficient resource usage reduces environmental footprint. Modern processors improve performance per watt. Saving energy often aligns with saving money. Green computing is part of responsible development. Mastering cloud computing is a long-term journey that rewards consistency. Developers must keep learning as platforms evolve. The UK market places strong value on compliance and efficiency. By building solid foundations, you prepare for advanced topics. Cloud skills open many career paths. This video aims to guide you forward. Thanks for watching this video on FluxReach. If you found it helpful, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Your support helps the channel grow. If you have questions, leave them in the comments. We read and respond whenever possible. See you in the next video.